Okay, so officially we are commencing the CRS 2.0 Viva OC. Then when I say Viva OC, we are not starting the Viva OC instantaneously. We have got something to be discussed. I am recording this and you are seeing me. So online members, you are seeing me here properly? Okay. So audio, everything is clear?
Everything is perfect, sir.
Beautiful. So for you,
Yes, sir.
please and all that.
Yes,
Right. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Kalpita Sri, Uday Sri Brinda, Mitra, Nitin Nitish, Asathaman, Balaji Sundarraj, Guru Prasanna, and Sibi Adityan for making this milestone journey of CRS 2.0 and coming to the completion session. I really appreciate everyone for your support. You got to understand that it is not easy to fall back into the format. When you are having a school and when you are having so much of commitments, like for instance, Brinda just finished 2 weeks of break and she finished her test. Kalpita is writing test every day. Nitin had to undergo a serious, his granny passed away yesterday and he had to be here immediately. Asathaman went through a lot of crisis in his vision. Mitra went through a lot of crisis. Every day she's catching cold, she's having mind fever because of restlessness, writing homework, writing fit test. Balaji underwent dental surgery and Sibi Adityan had fever. Guru Prasanna had been on the toss of the schedule. So every single person has been struggling a lot for coming to here. Now, a quick recap. Go to the next slide. Second slide, please. Online members. Mouse
okay, sir.
Yeah. So CRS 2.0 commenced with these 17 people actually. Mitra, Kalpita, Uday Sri Brinda, Dakshin Siddharth, Nitin Nitish, Guru Prasanna, Asathaman, Sibi Adityan, Balaji, Natish, Pratisha. But before Balaji, Natish, Pratisha, these people were here. Mohammad Anas, Mohammad Hafiz, Mohammad Hafid, Vishnu Priya, Mridu Bashni and Sanjay Bhaskar. So some people got blacklisted because of their schedule. Sanjay Bhaskar got frozen because of his hiatus. Mridu Bashni got frozen because of her hiatus. Well, Vishnu Priya's case was very, very unfortunate. She has not updated things properly and she has been frozen and she has been, deported from the CRS because of something that she did. She failed in a couple of examinations and she never bothered to tell me. So it was a waste of an effort. But Balaji came in the interim, Natish Pratisha came in the interim, but the other 8 people were standing tall and standing strong. Okay, so.
Then what now?
Dakshin is absent today. Last minute தான் சொன்னா என்னன்னு தெரியல. இதுதான் நாளைக்கு டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு அப்படின்ட்டு லாஸ்ட் மினிட். அதனால இதான் மெசேஜ் இதில் வந்து இப்போ இதில் பார்த்தேன், விஜயில் பார்த்தேன். I don't know about the details. Shall we continue? The doubts எல்லாம் அப்புறம் கேளு. Focus. Okay, so now go to the next slide. Click once. So the total days of CRS 2.0, inclusive of all days, we all started on June 2nd, as you all remember. So till today, it is about 107 days. Next. Total working days from June 2nd to September 17th, including today, is about 91. Total amount of CRS rating this time around is for 800, as you all know. Award list elimination criteria, below 700. If you are scoring below 700, unfortunately you are not going to get any form of award. No, you are not going to get main award, you are not going to get first consolation, second consolation, nothing. First CRS, it was very, very liberal, you are very liberated, and every single person got some or other prize. But here it is not going to be so. And the news is that it's going to be continued for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Even if you have come to 800 marks, but if you are flunking in Viva OC, then you are still not going to get any award. Understand that. Next. Award list inclusion criteria. You are getting the possibility and opportunity of winning an award, getting the cash award in hand only after surpassing 720 marks.
Okay, sir.
Give this guy. Next. Award categories. These are the three categories. Main award, 1200 Indian net rate. First consolation award, 1000 Indian net rate. Second consolation award, 800 Indian net rate. Nature of award provision, food analysis of all 91 days. நமக்கு ஒரு நாள் நீங்க எப்படி பண்ணிருக்கீங்கிறத பார்த்துனா 91 days. My dream and objective is raising the award prize money so that it motivates more people. Next time எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ஒரு 2000 பக்கம் வரலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நான் யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். Let's see what God has got in store. Let's see. But I'm happy that at least more than the last year, this time I have raised the main award. Last time it was only for 1,100 rupees incentive was given. But this time the main award itself is 1,200. And first consolation last time it was only about 800 or 700. But this time it's 1,000. And second consolation 800. So it's going to be very interesting today and tomorrow to see who are all going to take and touch the awarded thing. Next. Yeah, this is the last, but by no means the least thing. Why was he scored out of 100? So, one has to surpass 800 marks and one has to get at least 65 or 70 out of 100 in Viva. Either of the categories training in which you are not going to get the award. Viva 90 வாங்கிட்டு 800 அந்த பக்கம் இல்லைன்னாலும் அந்த பக்கம் 800 வாங்கிட்டு இந்த பக்கம் Viva 50, 40 அப்படின்னாலும் you are not going to get the award. Now, let's see about the members' contribution. Yeah. The members' journey thus far. Go to the next slide, Guru Prasanna Balaji. The members' journey to the slide one. Have you come?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the members' journey thus far. Template, தொண்ணூத்தொரு நாள் அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் என்ன CRS 2.1 எவ்வளவு ஸ்கோர் போன வருஷம் CRS எப்படி பண்ணீங்க ஜஸ்ட் அந்த மாதிரி உங்க எல்லாருடைய நேமையும் I have segregated and let us see a quick snapshot of where you actually stand. First, Mitra. Next. 91 classes out of 91. Good job on the attendance. CRS score till last Sunday. இப்போ இந்த நிமிஷம் வரைக்கும் CRS அப்டேட் ஆயிருக்கு அந்த அப்டேட் நான் இங்க எழுதல. Please understand the template. Template பாருங்க CRS 2.0 score till 12th of September. That was last Sunday. So Mitra had 784 and last time she was the main awardee in CRS 1.2 with a score of 742. Next, Kalpita Shri, 91 out of 91. Good job. All classes attended. CRS score 775 till now. Last year she finished very strongly with being a main awardee with 712 marks. Next, Dakshin Siddharth, 89 out of 91. It has to be made as 88 out of 91 because today he is absent.
This is inclusive of
Today. CRS scored 768. Main awardee in the CRS 1.2 last time and he scored 735. Guru Prasanna, 90 out of 91. Very good attendance. And he is a very, very promising candidate this time around. He is already close to the eligibility criteria. 10 marks left for the eligibility criteria. 710. But why was he decides everything? Last time he was only a new attendee during CRS 1.0. Udeshri Brinda, 83 out of 91. That's a very strong attendance as well. As of now, Udeshri Brinda is standing up with 675. Well, for the past 4 days, Brinda's update will not be taken up because she was absent. So 675 now. Last time she was the main awardee without incentive in CRS 1.0 and she scored 690. Next. Ritan Nitish, 89 out of 91 and a very good attendance record. And the CRS score right now is 665 as on September 12th. And the last time he joined very shortly in CRS with his impressive performance. He was given an incentive and he scored 335 out of 650. Next. Balaji, he joined late. He was not part of CRS 1.0, but Right now, 74 days out of 91, and Sierra's score is now a very strong and staunch score, 613, and he was not part of Sierra's 1. Aswathaman, a very promising candidate as well, 88 out of 91, that's a very strong attendance, managing to come beyond his tuition schedule. It is unfair on my part to count all the tuition days as half attendance. No, I have marked it as only full attendance because he's coming all the way from the tuition, so it is considered as full attendance. So half class elame, half class of all elame full attendance not full. That's for your sincerity. Yeah. 88 out of 91, and Sierra scored a very promising candidate as well. I hope that he will do really well in the 5 hours, 607. And last time also he did really well. He stood as a second consolation awardee with a score of 575. So it is going to be a competition of wonderful titles because all of them have really done well. Siddhi Adityan never ever leased to any seniors. And look at the attendance record, it's very strong, 83 out of 91. And last time, Siddhi Adityan finished as second consolation awardee. That's very important. He was still about 6 months or 8 months junior than what he is today. And he still finished as second consolation awardee with an incentive and his score was 572. Very close to Aswathaman's score as well. So, another promising candidate. Natish, 24 out of 91. Sierra's score currently 86. He was not part of Sierra's 1.0. Natisha, 24 out of 91. Sierra's score is 68. She was also not part of Sierra's 1.0. So they are traveling really good in Sierra's 2.0. In Sierra's 3.0, it is going to be carried forward. Let's see. Well, a promising candidate, unfortunately, got back into the shell. Vishnu Priya, 85 out of 91, and the Sierra score is now largely impacted with the penalty. But actually, the former score was 653. The umpire got fallen down. Out of the 653 marks, about 110 had been marked as penalty. And also, she could have attended the YOC, but she took the break. I do not have any choice. That's her choice. That's news. And first consolation awardee with 670 last time. That's it. Go to the next slide, please, everybody. Yeah, wait. Now comes the most important salient feature slide before you get into the field. It's called as the CRS 2.0 navigation. The navigator for the White House of CRS 2.0. I want you to remember a couple of things before you get into it. This part is going to be edited and it will be put into my YouTube channel as well. Please understand that whatever I am saying in this slide is also the requirement for your life. CRS 2.0 evaluation mattu. In life evaluation idhe mari neenga face pananumradhu ennoda aasai. Remembering all these key points. I got some 5 or 6 key points mentioned over here, and I want you to remember those things and apply that in all the evaluation criteria in all walks of life, be it examination, be it college, be it school, be it profession, whatever. First point. This time it's by the pupil, of the pupil, and for the pupil. Vrinda will question Aswathaman when he is on the dais. Ritam will question Kalpita when she is on the dais. Kalpita will question Mitra when she is on the dais. Guru Prasanna will question Balaji when he is holding the mic. Likewise, YOC is going to be conducted not only by the trainer, it is going to be conducted by the members themselves. Please understand that. So, Brinda must be knowing this only now. Oh, friends, I want to question here. Online. Okay. Second, questioning based on the preset templates and free will by all the members. The templates now put and the templates will tell you, but free will questions are also encouraged. You can ask the people whatever the question that comes as flash in mind. So, so when you are facing an evaluation and when you are suddenly coming up with a free will question that is going to put you in a thrill phase, and I want you to face the thrill phase. That is also very important. Direct farm admins will be on dais for their Viva take. In the last. Now this is the key here. Each right question will be given 5 marks. I mean, each right answer for the question will be given 5 marks. And each mistake will be penalized with 5 marks. Nalla answer panningina 5 mark. Answer thappa irundha minus 5 mark. So it's like a snake and ladder thing. I will be having a live spreadsheet here. So when a person is standing on the dice, அவங்க பேச mark ஏறிட்டே இருக்கும், mistake பண்ண mark ஏறிட்டே. Okay.
How can I ask this question? Sir, if a person has answers for the like, he remembers the data but he knows not the activity but he can control the things whatever happening.
Half mark will be given, maybe 2 marks or 3 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
No. If it is half answer, then there is no penalty. If it is completely wrong answer, then it's but half mark will be given. But if there are only the date, time, அப்படினா யாரும் prepare பண்ண வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு போடுறது date.
Sir, so whatever right answer that the person standing on the dais gives directly 5 marks, sir? Or it is based on the answer he gives, sir?
No, whatever the answer the person says, if that is matching up and justifying the question that is asked, then the person deserves
Is
right.
it match with your predicted answer, sir?
Yes, that's the only criteria. அவங்க கேட்கறது ஒரு பக்கம் இருந்ததுனால அவங்க என்ன கேட்டாலும் எனக்கு ஞாபகம். So you have a sense.
Okay.
But then, sir, அப்படி இல்ல நீங்க நினைக்கிற தப்பு எனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நீங்க ஏதாவது கரெக்ட் பண்ணா நீங்க கரெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். Most of it.
Nice.
Bonus factor only when the trainer opens the gate of option for answer. Last time what we did was, bonus was given as a free will to everybody. Whoever raised the hand, அவங்க எல்லாம் bonus கொடுத்தோம். Bonusல யார் ஆன்சர் பண்ணாலும், okay, உனக்கு இந்த காமன் ஆன்சர் இருந்துச்சா அப்படின்னு கேட்டப்போ, let's say for example, if Kalpita says, sir, this is my answer, and Brinda said, sir, that was the same point I also wanted to say. அப்படின்னா கல்பிதாவுக்கு மார்க் கொடுத்தேன், Brindaவுக்கு மார்க் கொடுத்தேன். இதெல்லாம் அப்படி இல்லை. So, bonus அப்படின்னு இருந்தா நான், if there are multiple hands, யாருக்கு மார்க் கம்மியாக இருக்கோ அவங்களுக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுக்கப்படும். And the catch is coming in the next point. Voluntary effort in bonus shall go vain if the answer was wrong. Which to penalty was wrong. Bonus வந்துட்டு நம்ம டீச்சர் அடிச்சு மேடம் வந்துடலாம்னு நினைச்சா அந்த போனஸ்லையும் ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணுங்க இப்ப முடிக்கிற பத்தியா அதே மாதிரி அப்போ Voluntary effort in bonus shall go vain if the answer was wrong. அதனால சிந்தித்து செயல்படவும். But இதுதான் ரிஸ்க் எடுங்க. லைக் ஜுவான் தான போன போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரிஸ்க் எடுங்க. Next. This is my personal favorite. Adherence to the learning of MS evening sessions will always be the first criteria. MS evening sessions முன்னாடி வச்சு நீ சொல்ற ஒவ்வொரு பதிலுக்கும் மார்க் கிடைக்கும். MS evening session இருந்து உனக்கு கிடைச்ச considering MS evening session as the gym and whatever help you have obtained from that will be scrutinized and it will be given. There is something called as performance meters. Performance meters are gauged only by the trainer himself. If any effort for the marks and CR's advancement is visible, உங்களோட எஃபர்ட் ஏதாவது நீங்க சிஆர்எஸ்ல மார்க் வேணுங்கிறதுக்காக பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னாவோ இல்ல சிஆர்எஸ்ல நீங்க டபுளா அட்வான்ஸ் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிற மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் பெனிஃபிட்ஸுக்காக உங்களுடைய ஜெஸ்டர் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா the performance meter will be completely down. That or those effort or efforts will be immediately penalized on the grounds of selfish motive. So selfishana motive அப்படிங்கிறது தெரிஞ்சதுன்னா there will be a heavy penalty. 9. எந்த எவாலுவேஷன் கிரைட்டீரியாலையுமே ஸ்போர்ட் ஆகட்டும் இல்லை இந்த மாதிரி கேரியர் டெவலப்மெண்ட் செஷன் ஆகட்டும் this particular point is very very important. A selfless effort of focusing only on giving 100% will fetch the result automatically and on a free flow. செல்ஃபிஷா எதையுமே யோசிக்காம அந்த கொஸ்டினுக்கு நம்ம 100% எஃபர்ட்டை மட்டும்தான் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற நோக்கம் இருந்தா மட்டும் போதும், மார்க் தானா வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் லைஃப்ல இப்படிதான். Very recently I have been observing a lot of signs about the let go principle and going with the flow. go with the flow, let go அப்படிங்கிற அந்த பிரின்சிபல்ல I've been researching for the past about a fortnight or so, some 15 days or 20 days. It gives us only 3 principles, just 3 simple principles. Principle number 1, just think what you really want only once and believe in that, and you send it as a wish or a prayer. That's it. அதுக்கப்புறம் அதுக்கான முயற்சி மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கிட்டு don't doubt on it. Because the moment you doubt on it, that goes away from you. முடிவு பண்ணிட்டோம், ஆனா பண்ணதுக்கு வந்து மனசு தெரியாது. நம்ம இப்படி பண்றது பதிலாக அப்படி பண்ணலாமா, கொஞ்சம் அப்ரோச் மாற்றி பார்க்கலாமா, இப்படி பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா, அப்படி பண்ணி பார்க்கலாமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு if you are doubting what you have ordered for to the universe, then it is not going to come out. So that's the first thing. Second thing, don't pressurize too much. If there are people involved, if there are actions involved, if there are tools involved, அது மேல ரொம்ப ப்ரெஷர் போடணும். இப்போ if there are people அப்படின்னா நீ இதை பண்ணணும்னு நான் எதிர்பார்க்கிறேன், இதை செய்யிட்டு ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி அவங்க படின்னு சொல்லி எப்படி அந்த குழந்தை படிக்காம போதோ, வேலையை செய் இந்த ரிசல்ட் வேணும், வேலையை செய் இந்த ரிசல்ட் வேணும் அப்படின்னு ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்றப்ப எப்படி ஒரு பர்சன் வேலை செய்யாம போறாங்களோ அந்த மாதிரி when you are forcing something, then it is again going to be away from you. Believe in the process, hold the vision and trust the process and so on. That's the second thing. Don't force, allow. Third thing is my personal practice, the let go principle. என்ன சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா, be ready to embrace whatever the result that comes, because anything எதுவா இருந்தாலும் it is not going to go on your way, it is only going to go on God's way. So அந்த டைம்ல வந்துட்டு எதுவா இருந்தாலும் அதை எம்ப்ரேஸ் பண்றதுக்கு ரெடியா. இந்த 3 பிரின்சிபலை ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you are the most strongest person on the planet அப்படின்னு நிறைய தத்துவங்கள் இந்த விஷயத்தை எடுத்துரைக்கிறது. So if everybody is saying this, like, you know, industrialists like Mr. Musk says this, Mr. Gates says this, saints like Robin Sharma says this, Eckhart Tolle says this, Jack Canfield says this, Sadhguru Jeffrey Warsaw says this. சரி, இவங்க எல்லாரும் சொல்றது வந்துட்டு தப்பா போகும், ஆனா எல்லாரும் ஒரே விஷயத்த சொல்றாங்க. Don't force, just believe and just give it time, it will automatically work. ரொம்ப போட்டு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணிக்காது, ரொம்ப எதையும் ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணாத. அதேதான் இங்க the selfless effort of focusing only on the 100%, ஆனா உன்னுடைய 100% எஃபர்ட்டை மட்டும் கொடுத்துட்டே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா ரிசல்ட் வந்துடும். Follow not me but you principle. Put the friend at the upfront. It's a wonderful kind of a philosophy. ஃப்ரெண்டுக்காக சந்தோஷப்படுங்க, not me but you. நான் மட்டும் இங்க முக்கியம் இல்லை, நீ தான் முக்கியம். நம்ம 2 பேரும் எடுத்தோம்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீ முக்கியம், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நான் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு பிரின்சிபல். அதான ரியல் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப், அதான ரியல் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப். உன்னை பத்தி யோசிக்காம அவங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறத பத்தி யோசிக்கிறது, அவங்களுக்கு எது சந்தோஷமோ அதை கொடுக்குறது. That's pure and true and gospel relationship policy, right? அதை இங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. Put the friend at your friend. Clap for the friend. Appreciate the friend. Above all, enjoy the process. So, expect great things and live strong amidst the worst things that could possibly hit you as a storm. What kind of things to put in here? I want you to have eagle's eye on, out of these 12 points, I want you to have eagle's eye on point number 5, point number 7, point number 9, and point number 10. இந்த விஷயங்கள் மேல eagle's eye வச்சுக்கணுங்கிறது நான் ஆசைப்படுறேன். So CRS 2.0 YOC is officially going to get started, and we are going to have the first person. But அதுக்கு முன்னாடி I would like to say this alone: above all, enjoy the process and expect great things from this time. மறந்துடாதீங்க, இந்த பாலிசி, அதாவது பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 9 நீங்க கத்துக்கிட்டது, பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 10 நீங்க கத்துக்கிட்டது, and பாயிண்ட் நம்பர் 7 நீங்க கத்துக்கிட்டது, இது எல்லா எவாலுவேஷனுக்கும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ரிசல்ட் தானா வந்து இது ஃபாலோ பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ இது நீங்க ஃபாலோ பண்ணீங்கன்னா
Yes, sir.
May your restoration get unleashed. உங்களுடைய சிறப்பான அற்புதமான செல்ஃப் வெர்ஷன் இந்த வைவால வெளியிட்டும். All the best, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, that's it. I rest my case. I'm done.
Thank you.
Okay.